Welcome. In front of me I have HomTom S9 Plus, and I will show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, click to add another account, input your log method, click on email and input your new account. Click on this arrow. Click on next. If you input correct email, then in this poll you have to input your password. If you input your password, you have to click next. Tap agree. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are logged in with 2 accounts. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.